Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and use OpenCode CLI on Windows to create almost any type of coding project with artificial intelligence. First, open your browser and search for OpenCode AI. Press enter, then open the official website. On the website, you'll find the installation instructions. Click the npm option to see the installation command. Before running this command, make sure you have Node.js installed on your computer. If you don't have Node.js yet, search for Node.js, open the official website, download the latest LTS version, and install it. Once Node.js is installed, copy the OpenCode installation command. Now open the command prompt. You can simply search for cmd from the Windows Start menu and open it. Paste the installation command and press enter to install OpenCode globally on your computer. The installation usually takes only a few seconds. Once complete, close the command prompt. Now create a new folder wherever you'd like to store your project. I'll create one called OpenCode Project. Open the folder you just created. Click the address bar, type cmd, and press enter. This opens command prompt directly inside the project folder. To start OpenCode CLI, simply type OpenCode and press enter. OpenCode CLI will launch. And now you're ready to build projects using AI prompts. You can describe almost any application or website you want, and OpenCode will help generate it. Notice that there are two working modes. Press tab to switch between build mode and plan mode. In plan mode, OpenCode creates a detailed development plan before writing any code. If you want to change the AI model, type models and press enter. You'll see a list of available AI models. Choose the model that best fits your needs. I'll select one of the available free models and switch back to plan mode. Let's generate a portfolio website. I'll enter a prompt for a unique, modern, responsive design with neon themes. This prompt is enough to generate a complete project plan. Since we're in plan mode, simply press enter. OpenCode will analyze the request and may ask questions. Answer them based on your preferences. For the name, I'll enter Miskana TT, press enter, and OpenCode will generate the complete project plan. The planning process only takes a few moments. Once finished, you'll see the generated plan and the time taken. Now switch to build mode by pressing tab. Type proceed with the plan and press enter. OpenCode will begin generating all the project files automatically. You can see new folders being created. This process may take a minute, so I'll fast forward. The project is now complete. Opening index.html, you can see the beautiful website with modern animations and professional design. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.